Oh, ah,
Got 280,000 subscribers with just 28 videos. In a month. Yes, it's real. And today I'll show you exactly how you can do the same for free. I found an insane YouTube channel recently. And I mean, the results is crazy. Their first video in March 10th. Now they have 280,000 subscribers and almost 500 million views in total. Their Big Jest video have 89 million views. Every new video they post keeps blowing up. So I did some digging. Guess what? Their videos are super simple. It's a short animated story. A cute little girl steals something magical, gets chased, and somehow always escapes or wins. Each video is just around 50 seconds, but they're addictive. Why? That mischievous girl makes you smile. The stolen items magically grow bigger and bigger. You can't look away. Now you might be wondering, is it hard to make videos like this? Not at all. You don't need animation skills, expensive software, or a big team. You only need 3 free tools. Tools you need: 1. ChatGPT to write stories. 2. Leonardo AI to create images. 3. Hailuo AI to turn those images into animated videos. That's it, simple, right? Let's get started. First, we need a story, right? No stress. I've prepared some sample story prompts for you. Just check the comment or description below for the Google Doc. Step 1. ChatGPT. Paste the image prompt that I provided on the Google Doc. ChatGPT will provide you a new story. You can use my sample or create your own. Pick your favorite and start to generate images. Let's use my sample for now. Step 2. Open Leonardo AI. Paste your image prompt on it. Scene 1 done. Not bad, right? Now do the same for scene 2. Scene 2 done. And repeat the process for all scenes to make a proper story. Step 3. Final step. Now open Hailuo AI. Add your generated image there. Add your video prompt on it. Wait for generate the video. Do the same for scene 2. And repeat the same process for all scene. Your video is ready. Now download this into your desktop. Step 4. Final edit in CapCut. Once Hailuo AI gives you the video, drag it into CapCut. Add background music, sound effects, maybe even voiceover. Boom! It's ready. Save it into your desktop. Let's watch the final result together.
oh, ah.
Now you're all set to post on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels.